Welcome back, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter named ratio. The method of comparing two quantities by dividing one quantity by the other is called ratio. These quantities should be of the same kind and in the same unit. Symbol used to denote ratio is colon. The ratio between two quantities x and y, both of the same kind and in the same unit, is x by y in fraction, and in the ratio it is written as x colon y, and we read it as x to y or x is to y. In ratio x is to y, x is called the first term or antecedent and y is called second term or consequent. In a ratio, we have to remember few things. They are: first, a ratio must always be expressed in its lowest term. For example, if there are 8 oranges and 6 lemons in a bowl of fruit, then the ratio of lemons to oranges is 6 is to 8, and in the lowest term we can write it as 3 is to 4. Second point, whatever be the units of the terms of a ratio, the ratio has no unit. For example, ratio between 15 km and 20 km is equal to 3 is to 4. Third point, the terms of a ratio are written in a definite order only. For example, ratio between 5 kg and 8 kg is equal to 5 is to 8, whereas the ratio between 8 kg and 5 kg is equal to 8 is to 5. Remember, 5 is to 8 is not equal to 8 is to 5. Fourth point, a ratio does not change when its first and second terms are multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number. For example, the ratio 5 is to 8 is equal to 10 is to 16. In this ratio, we have multiplied the first term and the second term by 2. Whereas in the ratio 36 is to 48, we have divided each term by 12 and it is equal to 3 is to 4. I hope, students, the topic ratio must be clear to you. Thank you.